Welcome back on Agenda. We have the stars who have performed excellently in the board exams, but we're also talking about why perhaps marks don't really matter that much. What's interesting actually is that these toppers have made me even more envious because they've just said they've got 97%, 95% without any tuitions. Is that right, Rakshit?
That's actually right, because to score better you don't need any coaching institution or any guide. The school is
Some
already...
of us do need.
I don't think so, because the school already is the coaching institution that you are paying for. You can otherwise study from the open schools.
Yeah.
But the school is actually the coaching institution. There are facilities like extra classes, and even you can ask for the teacher never says a no.
But Kriti, you said that you needed physics tuitions, right?
Yeah.
Why was it? Is it because you thought that your teacher wasn't as good?
Mom, I think सब पे equally focus नहीं बन पाता and I need more attention.
Okay. And I wanted to ask you, Sukriti, since you are the national topper, if there's one big tip you can share with everyone, all students out there, which will make their life easier, what would that be?
My tip to everyone would be, to just keep up with the class. Don't leave things for the last moment, because, when one leaves things for the last moment, everything piles up and, it seems really difficult in the end. So I would say, go on, keep up with the class and just understand things, and things you're not clear about, put some extra time and extra effort and get them right. That's all.
That's a really good point. And I'll hand over to Manish Sisodia with a thought that one of the toppers in the audience just made. What is it that you wanted to say? Go ahead.
I want to say, Mr. Manish Sisodia, that we are just talking about the students which are studying in government school, private school, and make make analysis on the basis of their academic marks only. Then what about those students which don't get any facility in remote area or slum areas, and they
Who's caring for them?
Yes, वो इतने ज़्यादा मार्क्स नहीं ला पाते हैं, पीछे रह जाते हैं, उन्हें बैकवर्ड कर दिया जाता है. तो
So Manish Sisodia, basically, are you in the next year, is one of your aims going to be getting in more people part of the right to education system?
Of course, we are working on that, and let me share with you that my idea of education is not first choose and educate, because that's the difference between private school and government school. Private school largely educate them who can afford a cost of education or whose parents are more concerned about the education of the kids. But our government schools are catering larger part of the society where parents are not themselves educated or not well aware of what to do and what not to do. So we have to take care of that part of society, and we are working on that. For last 1 year, we have been focusing on schools in slum area, in downtrodden areas.
And I'm told we're totally out of time, but Veer Das, one last line to make everyone who is perhaps not speaking now, but who haven't done well, something to for them to look out for.
Okay, listen, you are the most awesome generation of kids that has ever existed. Don't listen to what anybody tells you. You are the only person that knows what you need to do with your life. You could ask a 40-year-old person right now or a 60-year-old person who keep asking you questions like, what are you doing with your life? I promise you, nobody has a clue. It is okay to fail. If you talk to a 90-year-old man, he has learned more from his failures and his stumbles than he ever has from his successes. If you learn to laugh at it, you can live through it and you can have a good time. Don't forget that along with this exam, you're going to meet the right person, you're going to fall in love, you're hopefully going to get married, you're going to have children, you're going to laugh with your friends, you're going to take care of your parents, you're going to travel the world. None of those things require a mark sheet.
Okay.
You'll just have to be a good person for all of those things.
I want to thank all our guests over here, and a big round of applause for all of you toppers and the parents and the teachers, the principals. Thanks very much for watching Agenda. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.